All right, you are coming over here to welding. So first thing we're gonna do, obviously the first thing you're gonna do is go get all your safety equipment on. You should have your welding hood, a coat, and again, your shoes should be covered toes. So don't have sandals, Crocs, nothing that sparks can drip through, okay? First thing I'm gonna do when I get to the welder, in behind here is a little switch. I'm gonna flip it on, and you'll notice the welder pops on. Give it a second. Okay, once it's fired on, next thing I'm gonna do is turn on gas. Remember, MIG is a gas process, and the gas helps protect your weld, okay? So you're gonna go to the blue bottle. We are using, this is 75% carbon dioxide. 75% argon, 25% carbon dioxide. So to turn it on, the valve at the top, you're gonna twist this all the way to the left. That turns your valve on. That allows gas come from the tank into the regulator. Now that you've done that, next thing you need to set is the regulator. So the dial on the right-hand side, this one tells you how much gas is left in the bottle. On the left-hand side tells you how much gas is going through this regulator, through the hose, through the welder, and out your contact tip, okay? Or sorry, your gas diffuser. So I'm gonna twist this little T handle, and I'm gonna twist it until the needle here is just above 20, and I'm gonna stop, and that's set perfectly, okay? In grade 7 and 8, we do not worry about the green bottle. This bottle is for a different welding process, okay? So gas is set, machine's turned on. The next thing you're gonna need to make sure you do is you will have a ground clamp, okay? This ground clamp needs to get hooked onto either the piece of metal that you're welding, number one, or usually we just hook it to the table. So we'll hook that right to the table, just like that. You're gonna uncoil the welding whip, okay? The MIG gun. If you have this wire and you leave it all coiled up, there's wire that comes through the machine, through here, and that wire, if it's all coiled up, doesn't flow very easily, okay? When you turn the machine on, if you notice that this little light is on stick welding, okay, you need to bring this up. We're gonna go to MIG C25, and remember that refers to the gas that we're gonna use. We let the machine boot up a little bit. Okay, at this point in time, there's an on-off button. If you push the off button, that sets this machine so that you could change the voltage and the amperage or the wire feed speed to whatever you want. For now, I want you guys to turn on the auto set. Okay, turn it on. And then it gives you some options. So number one, up at the top, it says 0.35. That is the thickness of the wire that we are using to weld with, okay? Then over here, it has the thickness of the material that you're going to use. Grade 7s and 8s, when we are doing your plates, your plate steel is 1/4 of an inch thick. So that's what I want to set it to. And that automatically sets your voltage and your wire feed speed for you, okay? So there you go. You have your machine on, you have everything set up. The next thing you're gonna do is tack weld. So grab this arm. You're gonna bring this arm down. You're gonna grab your practice piece. You're gonna weld it on here and then start laying beads. All right? Perfect.